All right, let's go. Got this thing off of Amazon, of course. Just follow the link. Check it out. We're going to go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. It is a remote floating handle grip for GoPro. I know a lot of other people have used it for other stuff, but let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. There's a box, has the remote features, very nice touch. This is what I was using before. Nothing wrong with it, but wanted to upgrade a little bit and thought this would be a nice choice for it. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. There you guys go. I think it's probably the same. It's a little bit bulkier than the grip I was using. So let's go ahead and check out the rest of the stuff that it comes with. All right, so here's the lanyard and the knob to hold your GoPro on there. The only problem I have is I have the mic mod on there, and sometimes that makes it a little, it might rub in there, but I'm always willing to use the other one. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out and make it work. I think it is amazing. This should be the charger, and this works for Heroes 12 all the way down to 8. So if you have any number in between those, it will work. There's a USB and a magnetic charger, and that goes right there to charge it, just like that. Very awesome. So we'll go ahead and try to put this on here and see if we can get this thing to work. We'll use the one that came with it, just because if you didn't have the microphone mod, I think you would have been all right. But since I do, I'm gonna go ahead and use the one that I know will clear it. And let's check this thing out. All right, so it is definitely on there. I think that looks amazing. Let's go ahead and see if we can get this thing to work. Power it on. All right, now if you want to flip the GoPro, you can. I recommend you getting rid of the microphone mod and just using it the same. So we'll go ahead and do that. That way you guys can see it. That way I can turn around and set it up properly for you guys. But it'll work both ways. I mean, you just a little bit harder to rotate with the mod, but it is all right. So we'll turn that around, and of course, if I had the cover on here, this is waterproof, which is an amazing feature to have. Go ahead and put this on there. Of course, yeah, I mean, if you don't have the mod, then this will work just as good. All right, so what you want to do is scroll down, go over, go to connect, and I'm using the Hero 9. Go to connect device, remote, and then you want to hold the power button for a couple seconds. And there you go. Very successful. And there you have it. I think it is a very awesome addition to just having this. I feel like that is more sturdier. We'll let you know how it goes in the future, but of course you have the little lanyard you want to put on there, and you're able to put a tripod in there, which is an amazing addition for that. And there you have it. That's what it looks like with the remote plugged in. Beautiful, amazing. Buy. Definitely check it out. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this review. Hopefully it will help out with content creation and going to different things like Comic-Con and conventions and stuff like that. Thank you guys.